Hey, hello everyone. Good morning, good day, good evening. Welcome to Code Dev Me. It's quick as Falcon. Let's dig into the code. Today we're gonna discuss about closures. What are closures? Closures are nothing but function in other function or isolated stateful function. Technically, self-contained functions. Software industry named it closure. We can use it in object-oriented programming because object-oriented program will demand four primary principles. What are those principles? Those principles are abstraction, encapsulation, and inheritance and polymorphism. Encapsulation, it encloses the private content in a function. Abstraction gives the accessibility to possible content in a function. Inheritance carries the relationship of parent and child. Polymorphism updates the behavior in future requirements. So these four are involved in closure function. So that is what we use closure in object-oriented programming. The beauty of closure is self-contained. We'll write function, closure function, and no dependency and no parameters. We don't want to mess up the things. So that is what we named it self-contained function. That is the beauty of closure. There are two areas in closure function. One is private area and the other is public accessible area. In this public accessible area, we'll make it return and object. And in private area, okay, let me write id equal to 0. We'll write a function, inner function like print name console.log. We'll make this to the public accessibility. So here encapsulation is over. This is encapsulation, and this is abstraction. So two principles are involved here. We'll inherit this function. Inherit this into a variable instance function, or else simply x. Inheritance also came here, and we will access this print name now. So for that, x print name, we need to give the parameter as per publicly accessible function. Great name. Cool. Check here. See, great name. We'll make it understandable. Okay, we'll add id also. id. Cool. See, name is great name and id is 0. We will invoke this again for the next user. Print name, your name. See, id is 0. We will increase this id by the increment. Yeah, id is 0. My name. See, id is increasing every time because the complexity is in encapsulated area. Publicly accessible things are clear to the user. See, the beauty of closure function, encapsulation and publicly accessible, so we can reuse it anywhere when we are required. This is self-contained. It will not create conflicts. That is the beauty of closure. The inheritance is also polymorphism. See, always in JavaScript, every function, variable, whatever, everything is holding polymorphism. The variable a, we can change it into other data type. See, a, now 2. See, this x can be changed into other data type. This x is holding closure function. X can be new other function. This is the polymorphism. It's changing its data type or behavior. It's changing its shape. All principles are satisfied by this closure function. All the best. Thank you all.